Hi students, today I will explain about the P block elements. In P block elements, one of the which group elements in session we will discuss means 13th group elements. So in that very much important topic, what is that means? Preparation and structure of diborane. So what is the formula of diborane means? B2H6. So the formula of diborane is what is that? B2H6. So how to prepare this diborane means totally how many methods are there means 3 methods are there. So in that what is the first one method means when the diborane is prepared by treating boron trifluoride. So when boron trifluoride is treated with lithium aluminum hydride. So what is the formula of lithium aluminum hydride means LiAlH4. So this lithium aluminum hydride treated with boron trifluoride to form what is that means diborane. So what is the representation of reaction means when BF3. So BF3 means boron trifluoride. When the boron trifluoride is treated with lithium aluminum hydride. So in the presence of dry ether, the formation of compound like a diborane means B2H6 along with other compounds also there. So what are that means? LiF lithium fluoride and also AlF3 aluminum trifluoride. So what was the second one method for the preparation of diborane means boron trifluoride reacts with LiH. LiH means lithium hydride. So it can be formed what is the compound means diborane. So we will write the representation of reaction like this. Boron trifluoride means formula what is that? BF3. And what is the name of LiH? Lithium hydride. So both these are combined to form. So what is that combination of compound? Diborane like B2H6 along with another compound also there. What is that? LiF lithium fluoride. And what was the last one method for the preparation of diborane means boron trichloride. When the boron trichloride is reacts with hydrogen to form diborane. So we will representation like a reaction like this. Boron trichloride nothing but means BCl3 and hydrogen means H2. So both these are combined to form a diborane. So what is the formula of diborane? B2H6 along with another compound also there HCl. So these are the three methods for the preparation of what is that diborane. So next one, what was the topic we will discuss means structure. So preparation methods are completed. Then what next? Explain the structure of diborane. So before the explanation of structure means in diborane already we have to know that formula B2H6. So in diborane which element is present mainly means boron. So boron on participate which hybridization means sp3 hybridization. So by the involving of sp3 hybridization, so in every atom it can forms how many hybrid orbitals means 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. So one of the diborane, so diborane is comes under into which type of compound means electron deficient compound. So electron deficient compound means for the formation of bonding it can less number of electrons. So that is the why the boron is in diborane is considered as a which compound means electron deficient compound. So it involve sp3 hybridization. Totally it can forms how many hybrid orbitals? 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. So out of 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, 3 orbitals consist how many electrons? How many electrons? Single electrons. 3 orbitals are consisting of single electrons. Remaining 1 orbital consisting of a empty or vacant orbitals. So diborane can be formed how many sp3 hybrid orbitals? 4. So in that 4, 3 orbitals consisting of a single electrons. So how many one boron consisting of how many single electrons means 3 single electrons, and one remaining one orbital is present. That orbital is called as a empty or vacant orbital. So in diborane, so totally how many BH bonds are present means 4 BH bonds. BH means boron and H means hydrogen. And how many BHB bonds are present means 2. So BHB means boron, hydrogen, boron. So in total diborane, how many BH bonds are present? 4 BH bonds. And how many BHB bonds are present? 2 BHB bonds. So particularly in diborane, one special type of bond is present. That a special type of bond is what is that means? BHB bond. This BHB bond is called as a which bond? Banana bond, or what is another name? Tau bond. And what is another name? Tri-centered 2 electron bond. So what is the meaning of tri-centered 2 electron means? Tri means 3. So what is that means? Boron, one center, and hydrogen is another center, and boron is another center. So totally how many centers? Tri-centered. And only how many electrons are mainly involving in this means BHB bond? 2 electrons are involving. So that is the way this is called as a tri-centered 2 electron bond. So how to the formation of this particularly BHB bond or banana bond means? So one boron. So in diborane, how many borons are present? 2 borons. So in that one boron of how many electrons? Single electrons. And second boron of which orbital? Empty orbital. So overlapping with which atom? Hydrogen atom. So it can be formed which bond means banana bond. So we will explain about by the representation of structure of diborane like this. So in a structure, how many borons are present? 2 borons. So already we will discuss in diborane, boron on participate which hybridization? sp3. So it can forms how many orbitals? 4. So we are considered as a taking of one boron. So sp3 hybridization, how many orbitals are consist one boron? 4. So how many consisting of orbitals one boron? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally how many sp3 hybrid orbitals are present on one boron? 4. So in that how many electrons out of 4 sp3, how many orbitals are consisting of single electrons? For example, we are taking of one boron, 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals are present. So in that 3 orbitals are consisting of single. So what is that means? 1, 2, 3. So 3 orbitals are consisting of single electrons. Another orbital is consisting of a empty or vacant orbital. So this is one of the boron. And second boron also consisting of 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. It can be also consisting of how many single electrons? 3 single electrons and 1 empty orbital. So we are a representation of the explanation of banana bond, how that means. So in diborane, how many BH bonds are present? 4. So one boron. So in a single electrons of boron overlapping with hydrogen. So in that one boron of 2 electrons are overlapping with 2 hydrogens, and second boron of single electrons of overlapping with 2 hydrogens. So totally how many BH bonds? 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So totally how many BH bonds? 4 BH bonds. And how many BHB bonds? 2 BHB. So one boron of single electron, and second boron of which orbital? Empty orbital, overlap with hydrogen. So overlap with hydrogen. So that is why this bond is called as a which bond means banana bond. So this bond is called as a which bond? So banana bond. And also we are called as a tri-centered. So what is a tri-centered? Boron of single electron and second boron of empty orbital and overlap with hydrogen. So that is the way 1, 2, 3. So tri-centered, how many electrons are present? 2 electrons. So that is the way this bond is called as a banana bond. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and watch my videos. Thank you.